Hi, what's your name?
Bernardo Biasquel the third.
How old are you?
5.
What
5 years old.
What are the 8 planets?
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
What are the dwarf planets?
Ceres, Pluto, Haumea, Mercury, Aries.
What are the names of the stars in the galaxy?
Sun, Sirius, Hippolyta, Arcturus, Aldebaran, Rigel, Pistol Star, Antares, or just a think. Mississippi.
And
Viva Cancer Joris.
very good. How many satellites of the Mars? How many satellites of the Mars?
The moon.
What do you call it? What do you call them?
Formos and Deimos.
Again?
Formos and Deimos.
Oh, how many satellites of Uranus? How many satellites of Uranus?
37.
How about Neptune?
13.
What do you call the satellite of the Earth? No. What do you call the satellite of the Earth?
1.
Oh,
Moon.
Moon. Very good. What are the gas giants? What are the gas giants?
Jupiter.
What else?
Saturn.
What else?
Venus. Neptune.
What is the hottest planet?
Venus.
Why is it the hottest planet?
Because of the atmosphere. A trip dropped carbon dioxide in the Venus.
Very good. Because of the atmosphere, it traps the carbon dioxide at Venus. What is the coldest planet? Stop it. What is the coldest planet?
Neptune.
What is the biggest planet?
Jupiter.
What is the smallest planet?
Mercury.
What planet has a great red spot?
Jupiter.
What do you call that spot?
Storm.
Storm, yes. What do you call our very own galaxy?
Milky Way.
Very good. Bye!